Welcome to our step-by-step guide on getting exclusive UGC items in Roblox. Let's dive into what these unique items are and why they hold such value for players. Before we start, let's clarify the requirements. You need a Roblox account, meet eligibility standards, and, in some cases, own specific game passes. Step 1 is exploring the Roblox Avatar Marketplace. Navigate through the categories to find an amazing array of UGC items available for you. In Step 2, following UGC creators is key. Their unique styles lead to exclusive content, so find and support the right creators. Events in Roblox often feature exclusive UGC items. Make sure to join them for a chance to snag limited edition goodies. Now let's talk about promo codes. They can be your ticket to exclusive UGC items. Keep an eye out and don't forget to redeem them quickly. Stay tuned on social media and community pages for updates on exclusive drops and collaborations. It's a great way to catch new items. Engaging with the Roblox community is vital. Join groups and forums for insider tips on getting your hands on those sought-after items. To recap, explore the marketplace, follow creators, join events, utilize promo codes, monitor social media, and engage with the community. Start your adventure collecting UGC items today.